Hey guys, today I wanted to share the awesome goodies that I won in a giveaway from West Coast Crafty Babe. She had a giveaway in celebration of her channel reaching 500 subscribers, and the original winner never contacted her, so she did a second drawing and I won. This is the second time that's happened. That's also how I won the giveaway from Stacy's Stash, so apparently I'm really good at coming in second. I also have a very small Michael's haul that I did as a result of winning this giveaway, so that will be at the end. So this is a very generous giveaway made up of a variety of cute things, starting with this sweet pineapple card that has a note to me in it. There are quite a few items from Daiso in here, which is great because that's a store that's only available on the West Coast, so I have yet to set foot inside one of those stores and may never set foot inside one of those stores. So these are Flamingo secret message note cards that you can fold up to hide your message, like you write it there and then fold that part up. There are these cute little sticky notes, these cherry blossom sticky notes, these gem stickers, these adorable polar bear flake stickers, and there's the designs on the back there, these llama page flags, then there are these sort of tea party themed type of stickers, and these flake stickers that kind of match that last set. You can see they're also kind of party themed as well. And we have these ridiculously adorable puffy animal stickers. Then there's this insanely cute stamp and die set from MyArtsy, and I'm pretty sure I almost picked this up at Michael's at one point, but I made myself put it back, so very excited to receive these. Next up are a few mermaid themed items, starting with these sticky notes from Daiso. Then there's this list pad from Target. Have I mentioned how much I miss Target? And this sticker book also from Target. And finally, there are a bunch of really cute unicorn things in here, starting with the unicorn washi that we all know and love from Dollar Tree. These 3 fluffy unicorn pens. This cute pink pom-pom that came with this pink unicorn charm, and then she added this mint green charm to it as well. There's this plush unicorn keychain, this set of unicorn cards, this really cute pack of unicorn glassine bags from Daiso, this dimensional Mother's Day card, these 2 sets of planner stickers that have sheets in the back that have unicorns on them, and finally there's this gorgeous unicorn gift bag, which I am looking forward to attempting to make into a mini album by following I Am Mama 24's tutorial. So because of all that unicorn and mermaid stuff at the end of this, I decided to pop into Michael's and pick up some paper that I could use with it. So I picked up the 12x12 Stay Magical paper pad. I already have the 6x6 of this pad, and I was originally going to wait and see if the Hot Buy paper pads went on sale again before grabbing the 12x12, but I really just wanted to get crafting, so I decided to bite the bullet and just pick it up now. And then I also picked up the 5.8 by 8.8 Sparkle Magic Wow paper pad. I'd originally thought I was going to pick up the 8.5 by 11 pad by the same name, but I ended up liking the papers in this one better, and it was cheaper, so that was a plus. So this was originally $19.49, but I used a 55% off coupon on it, so I got it for $8.77. And that's it for this giveaway winnings and mini haul video. Thanks again for the awesome goodies, and I will be sure to put them to good use. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please give it a share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that little bell in the corner to be notified when I next upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one.